Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to contact the customer support of Agricultural Bank of China. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in abchina.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Agricultural Bank of China. You'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to contact the customer support, for that, first of all, click on this option About Us. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the About Us interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find the information about Agricultural Bank of China. What you have to do is simply scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find the section for Contact Us. You'll be able to find various options for contacting the Agricultural Bank of China. First of all, you'll be able to find the number of customer service center over here. You can simply call this number and you'll be able to contact the customer support. Likewise, you'll also be able to find the email. Also, you'll be able to find the address. So you can simply visit this address and you'll be able to contact the customer support physically, or if you want to do it via email, you can simply copy this email, select this email address, now press Ctrl C on your keyboard. Now go to New tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com, press enter. Now you can see over here Gmail will be opened. Over here you'll be able to find the option for compose, simply click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be able to compose the email. In the two sections, simply paste the email address that we copied earlier. Simply press Ctrl V on your keyboard. Now also enter the subject. Now enter your message. You can describe your problem over here. You can be as specific as possible. You can also attach the documents, files and photos if you want. Now after you enter your message, simply click on this option Send that you can see on the screen. Now after that, your email will be sent. Now you'll be contacted via email. So like this too, you'll be able to contact the customer support. So these are basically the ways to contact the customer support of Agricultural Bank of China. So that is how you contact Agricultural Bank of China customer support. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.